What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to another video. In this video I want to show you how to expand this binomial expression, which is x squared plus 2 to the power of 4. So based on binomial theorem, I'm gonna say x squared plus 2 to the power of 4 is gonna be 4c0 x squared to the power of 4 2 to the power of 0 plus 4c1 x squared to the power of 3 times 2 to the power of 1 plus 4c2 x squared to the power of 2 2 to the power of 2 plus 4c3 x squared to the power of 1 2 to the power of 3, and finally 4c4 x squared to the power of 0 2 to the power of 4. As you see here, the exponent of the first term is decreasing, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. And the exponent of the second term, which is 2, is increasing from 0 to 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And since the exponent is 4, it means that we have 5 terms in total. We could also show, instead of 4c0, we could write it like this. 4 choose 0. And let's expand this. X squared to the power of 4 is going to be x to the power of 8 because we multiply the exponents. 2 to the power of 0 is 1. 4 choose 1. X squared to the power of 3 is going to be 6. 2 to the power of 1 is 2. Plus 4 choose 2. X squared to the power of 2, x to the power of 4. 2 squared is 4. Plus 4 choose 3. X squared times 2 to the power of 3, which is 8. Plus 4 choose 4. 1, 2 to the power of 4 is 16. Now these numbers combination, we can use it either using this formula, n factorial over n minus r factorial times r factorial, or we can use Pascal's triangle. So when you use Pascal triangle, you need to look for the fourth line, and the fourth line, I'm going to show you the Pascal triangle here. The fourth line is 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. These are called binomial coefficient. So we have 5 terms, and these are the coefficient of each of them. 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. So this one is 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. So that's going to be x to the power of 8 plus 4 times x to the power of 6 times 2 is going to be 8 x to the power of 6 plus, that's going to be 6. So 6 times 4 is 24 x to the power of 4 plus, this one is going to be 4. 4 times 8, 48 times x squared is going to be 48x squared plus 4 choose 4 is going to be 1. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 16 is 16. So that's basically is going to be the expansion of x squared plus 2 to the power of 4. Now let's have another example. In this time I'm going to have expand. Instead of adding, I have subtracting to the power of 4. So x squared minus 2 to the power of 4, I'm going to say 4 choose 0 x squared to the power of 4 negative 2 to the power of 0 plus 4 choose 1 x squared to the power of 3 negative 2 to the power of 1 plus 4 choose 2 x squared to the power of 2 negative 2 to the power of 2 plus 4 choose 3 x squared to the power of 1 negative 2 to the power of 3, and finally 4 choose 4 x squared to the power of 0 negative 2 to the power of 4. So again we use the same coefficient, 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. So that's going to be negative 2 to the power of 0 is 1, so it's going to be just x to the power of 8. And here this one is 4 times negative 2 is going to be negative 8 x to the power of 6. Next one, this one is 6. 6 times negative 2 to the power of 2 is 4. Pause the 4. 4 times 6 is 24. x to the power of 4. Then you have negative 2 to the power of 3 is negative 8 times 4 is going to be negative 48 x squared. And here is 1. This one is 1. Negative 2 to the power of 4 is 16. So as you see here, we pretty much get the same answer, but every other number is negative this time. Because the second number is negative 2 instead of positive 2. Sometimes when it's to the power of even number, it's going to be positive. Sometimes when it's to the power of odd number, like here or here, it's going to be negative. So that's the expansion of x squared plus 2 to the power 4 and x squared minus 2 to the power 4. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question. Thank you for watching and have a great day.